Good morning, guys. Today we are gonna show the beautiful plants, the ancient plants. We've shown up the beautiful flowers here. It's probably 51 days, and we do have a very good news that the guava guy, who actually was recently planted, he kind of showing up a very good results with the 0% medication and surrounded by a lot of weed. So you see a beautiful guavas, and this guy is probably youngest guy here in the entire 1371 ancient plants. And you see a lot of bees these guys are attracting, and you see the clouds also kind of probably influencing. We are still working on the the research with the University of Florida and UAE scientific scholars. This guy is a Parijata, who is another ancient plant. This guy started popping up some little flowers, and we do have the Kadamba. These guys are the Arabian jasmine, which we are planning to ship it to UAE. And these guys are Panchapallavas, Marri, Maredu, Medi, Ravi, Juve. There are a lot of scientific names across the world. And we do have a lot of feed surrounded by here, but we wanted to see whether the weed is really impacting the plants, or they are kind of helping the plants to grow more intelligently. According to the ancient science, the scholars, I think they were keeping the plants next to each other, especially with this guy, the Banyan guy, who used to be always surrounded by the names in the temples. We are closely watching by creating some distance with the 3, 6, 9 triangle energy, and we wanted to see how this is really impacting our Tesla model 369 G energy, kinetic energy. We are soon starting. The good news is we have some initial funds getting approved for the research labs, and we are also submitting to all the sustainable encouragement organizations too. And this guy is I think in the last video you would have seen that he's a nice guy too. You see a lot of the names were already popped up, and this guy is completely 0% medication. This guy got impacted with some bugs a few days back. All we did was just put some ancient spices with the hash, so they were completely gone, and probably is recovering now. I'll show you another 2 to 3 days about his health. And this field is completely taken into 369 energy. We wanted to see how the airflow, especially in the calm night, how it is kind of treating. You see a lot of cameras are 24/7 monitoring the plant energy, and this guy is fully with the weed like a forest. And see, we are comparing with these plants and that plants to see how these guys are really impacting with the weed, because a lot of the people, farmers, are putting a lot of weed killing content, which is really impacting the soil health and the PLC side. This guy is also showing like very good flowers here, and this guy is an alternate plastic guy who is growing up very well in the field of Telangana and Magatapalli, which is nearby Nustlapur. The good news was, I think recently this field was recorded highest level of the the rainfall, which is 96.3%, which is officially available in the government of Telangana, the weather apps and the web, which is a verifiable evidence. But still we are not confirming that it's impacted only due to the field that we are growing, because we wanted to get that certified from a research scholars from the colleges installing the sensors, and the robots are coming probably by next month, are going to take care of this entire field. We are doing the soil analysis right now to see what kind of these ancient plants are gelling with each other and creating the energy. Soon the Tesla model is going to create the Sri Chakra, is going to create the kinetic energy. Probably October 7th is what I think. We are thinking that the robots, also the green energy, will be launching on the soft launch side to give it to the the regression testing customers. Thank you guys for supporting MahaaAi group of companies and international research labs. I'll keep you posted. Today is the another good day that we have an invitation from even Korean governments. So we are soon landing in Korea to probably. Today is the July 4th. The time is 11:34 a.m. IST, the Indian Standard Time. This is Narendra Chakravarti, the CEO of MahaaAi group of companies and the international research labs. So I wish we are going to prepare another live lab results video soon with the kinetic energy, the establishment of the construction probably in another week or so. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate all your support so far. Let's save the future generations with the ancient way of living and the ancient way of producing the food, and also the modern technologies and science going to be help for the ancient wisdom. Thank you so much. Let's see the future generation without diabetic and autism free generation, especially the diseases that the current generation is having, which is, I think, the human era was not seen this many diseases that the human body is carrying now, in my opinion. So let's make the future generation is completely disease free generation and positive energy. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much.